Hey guys, welcome again. So we would be talking about how to use Kubernetes-1 to verify the Minikube install. The Minikube start operation configures your shell so that you can use Kubernetes-1 against your new Minikube. Test this by running the following Kubernetes-1 command from the same shell that you run Minikube start from. So you can see this here. Yes, here. So your Kubernetes-1 context is set to Minikube. This means Kubernetes-1 commands will be sent to the Minikube cluster. It's worth pointing out that Kubernetes-1 can be configured to talk to any Kubernetes cluster by setting different contexts. You just need to switch between contexts to send commands to different clusters. So use the Kubernetes-1 get nodes command to list the nodes in the cluster, as you can see in the screen here. That's our single node Minikube cluster ready to use. Now we would be talking about deleting a Minikube cluster. We spun up the Minikube cluster with a single Minikube start command. We can stop it with Minikube stop command, as you can see in the screen where I'm pointing through my mouse cursor. Stopping a Minikube keeps all the config on disk. This makes it easy to start it up again and pick things up from where you left off. So to blow it away completely, leaving no trace, use the Minikube delete command, which you can see here. And it's pretty simple. Now finally, running a particular version of Kubernetes inside of Minikube. Minikubes basically lets you specify the version of Kubernetes you want to run. This can be useful if you need to match the version of Kubernetes used in your production environment. Use Minikube get K8s version to list the version available, as you can see in the screen, the last where I'm pointing through my cursor. Okay, so the next we would be talking about the command to start Minikube cluster running Kubernetes version 1.8. And as you can see in the screen at the top, the code for the same. Now run another Kubernetes-1 get node command to verify the version, as we have done it here. So we are done. I think that's Minikube on Mac. Now let's look at Windows. Let's look at Windows 10. Thank you.